Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach lesson 26, financial literacy. Student, the insurance is a contract between the insurance company and the policyholder. In return for consideration, the insurance company promised to pay a special amount to the insured when a specific event happens. Student, similarly about the life insurance, student, financial cover for contingency like with human life, with death, disability, accident, etc. Student, what is the nominee? The personnel nominated by the policyholder to receive the policy benefits in the event of his death. Student, about the health insurance? Student, health insurance covers the cost of an insured individual medical and surgical expense. Home insurance. Home insurance provides complete protection for our home, our house, and other household assets are expensive, and therefore safeguarding our homes from unfraction event should be our priority. Student, next one is the public sector banks. These are owned and controlled by the government in India. The nationalized bank and the regional rural bank come under this category. Student, next one is the private sector bank. Student, these banks are owned by the private individual or corporation and not be government or cooperative societies. For example, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, etc. Student, about the barrier check. When the words or barrier appearing on the face of the check is not cancelled, the check is called a bearer check. A bearer check is payable to the person specified in the check or to anyone who present it to the bank for payment. Next one is the order check. An order check is expressed to be a payable or to be payable to a particular person without containing words prohibiting transfer or indicating that it will not be transferable. Next one is the open or uncrossed check. When a check is not crossed, it is known as an open check or an uncrossed check. Payment on such a check can be obtained at the counter of the bank. An open check may be a bearer check or an order check. Next one is the cross check. Crossing a check means drawing two parallel lines on the face of the check with the or without adding words like and co or account payee are not negotiable. A cross check cannot be encased at the cash counter of a bank. It can only be credited to the payer's account. Next one is the income tax. An income tax is a government levy imposed on individual or entities that varies with the income or profits of the taxpayer. Next one is the goods and service tax. Goods and service tax is an indirect tax which was introduced in India on 1st July 2017. It is applicable throughout India and replaces multiple cascading taxes levied by the central and state government. Under GST, goods and services are taxes at the following rate: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Student, so see, here are some questions. Tell, first one is getting or receiving something from someone with the intention of giving it back after a period of time. Student, is the borrowing. Second, fill in the blank, student, is the money that is charged by a bank or other financial organization for borrowing money. Student, four things is this one is the attract, interest, monopolize, engage. This is the interest. Third one, student, banks or other organizations money to someone who agree that he will pay the money back in the future, usually with extra money added to the original amount that is known as the interest. You understand the name? Lend. Dash is a printed instruction from an account holder to his or bank directing it to pay a certain amount of money to a specific person. Understand? This is the check. If you understand, dash is a card issued by a bank giving the holder an option to buy goods and service without making any actual immediate payment. Can you know the name? The name is the credit card. Student, next one is an electronic card issued by a bank that allows the holders access to his account to withdraw cash or pay for goods and service. You understand? This is the debit card. Seventh student is mainly open to run a business that has a large number of daily transactions. It is a non-interest bank account. You understand? This is the current account. Dash is one of the most popular deposit accounts for individual. It is open to encourage people to save money and deposit their money. Interest is paid on saving account which remain nominal. This new name, then with the saving bank account. Next one is the dash is opened by people who want to save regularly for a certain period and earn a higher interest rate than the saving bank account after recurring deposit account. Next student, dash is opened for a particular fixed period of time by depositing a particular amount of money. You understand the name? The name is the fixed deposit account. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, there is a profit. Student, you understand which are the following tax rate is not payable under the GST? 5%, 25%, 18% and 12%. What is the correct? 25%. Okay, student. Student, next one is the next lesson is the fictional characters. Student, literature takes us an amazing and often imaginary world of stories and unbelievable or impressive characters. Some fictional characters leave a deep impact on our mind. Student, see. First fictional character, see. First one is the Sherlock Holmes. Student, you know their name? The Hound of Baskervilles. Second one, student, Peter Pan. Peter Pan. The answer is the Little White Bird. Student, third one, Santiago. You say Santiago? The Old Man and the Sea. Fourth one, student, Scarlett O'Hara. Who is the literacy work, student? The literacy work is the Gone with the Wind. Fifth one, student, Falstaff. The name is the Henry Ford. Next student, Huckleberry Finn. You know the literacy work? The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn. Seventh student, Snowball. They are written character, Animal Arm. Fifth, the Artful Doctor. You know the name? Oliver Twist. Ninth, Alice. The literacy work, Alice Adventure in Wonderland. 10th student, Becky Sharp. The literacy work, Vanity Fair. Student, next one, lesson 28, unique literary form. Student, you know different kind of literary style or writing are called genre or form. Other than drama, poetry, comedy and tragedy, there are many subforms of literature. You see first one, style of writing characterized by element of fear, horror, death and glories with romantic elements like nature, individually and intense fear or suspense. Understand? This is the Gothic literature. Second one, literary style that glamours the criminal world. This is the gangster chess. Third one, student, literary writing that express a character's inner thought. This is the interior monologue. Fourth student, literary style of comedy which make light of subject matter that is generally taboo. Student name is the black comedy. Fifth student, literary genre of comedy that derives humor from social awareness. Student name is the cringe comedy. Sixth student, a play written especially to be read by a reader or to be read aloud a small group but not to be performed on the stage. Student, the name is the closest drama. Okay, student. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.